Namaste students, I am Javin Dr. Aziz Mohammed Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic effect of inhibitors on immobilized enzyme activity. So, enzyme inhibitors are the substances which inhibit the activity of enzyme, which inhibit or alter, they can change the activity of the enzymes. So the enzymes cannot function properly. So these are known as the inhibitors, and these inhibitors are of three common types: competitive, non-competitive, and substrate inhibition. According to competitive inhibition, as the word indicate, competition. So we know that enzyme and substrate, relationship between enzyme and a substrate, and enzyme is like a lock in which a substrate fits and makes a product. Okay, in an enzyme is just like a key, and substrate is like a enzyme is like a lock, and a substrate is like a key. When this substrate will enter into the enzyme, then the enzyme doors will be open and all functioning will be performed. But in the competitive inhibition, another substances which is similar to substrate will come and it will bind to enzyme. It will bind to enzymes. This will result that this key will fit, but the enzyme will not work. It will not. The gate will not open. Okay, the gate of an enzyme must be open. Must be open, but if the substance which is similar to substrate will bind to this enzyme, this will lead to non-functioning of the enzyme, and it is known as the competitive inhibition, because in this inhibition the substances shows competition with the substrate which is similar to the substrate. So this is the competitive inhibition. And this inhibition, this substance will bind to the active site. This is the active site at which this substance will bind, and after binding it will not allow the enzymes to work, because a product will not be performed. So this is the competitive inhibition. But in the non-competitive inhibitor, what will happen? A substrate must bind to the enzyme for its proper functioning. But in the non-competitive inhibition, an enzyme is bound by a inhibitor. Okay, this this substance will bind to the enzyme, and it will alter. It will change the enzyme. It will not change the substance, but it will change the enzyme, and after changing into the enzyme, this substrate cannot bind to the enzyme. This substrate will not bind to the enzymes, as this is the original diagram of this enzyme, that this is the enzyme and the substrate will bind to the enzyme. But when this inhibitor will touch this enzyme, this inhibitor will alter the activity of enzyme and will change the configuration of enzyme, resulting in the non-functioning of a enzyme, because this substrate will not bind to this enzyme. So it is a non-competitive inhibition. Another type of inhibition is substrate inhibition. So in the substrate inhibition, as the diagram indicates, that this is the enzyme, it is a substrate, only one enzyme and only one substrate. But in the substrate inhibition, only one enzyme will be there and lot of substrate will be there, which cause the confusion in the enzymatic activity, which cause the reaction rate to drop, since the enzymes present is not being used. It will not be used. So the all the functioning of will be disrupted. So this is known as the inhibition of enzyme and the same formula is applied for the immobilized enzyme, because on the immobilized enzyme will not bind to any substrate, that will result in the disruption and non-functioning of the enzyme. So this is the effect of inhibitor on enzyme activity. So our lecture is over here. Thank you very much.